Hello! In this tutorial, I will tell you about the All Scans tab. So in All Scan tab, you can see all scans of the entire examination. You can look through them and select those you would like most to review. There's an option to filter scans by specific severity or sort them from high-low and low-high severity. Let's say you would like to filter scans by red severity and pay attention only to the most, so to say, severe scans. It can be done easily, like this, by selecting only marked red color scans. Also, you can add particular scans to the favorites from here, or from Single Scan tab, or Segmentation and Classification tab, and quickly review the required scans from here. Also, you can see scans numeration, and it's possible to zoom the scan to review its original size. Okay, hope this was helpful, and see you in our next tutorial.